Hi, everybody. Okay, so this is the second lesson for ELA for week 1, okay? So in this one, it's going to be a little bit different because we're going to be talking about the differences of the oi sound, okay? So it has the same sound, but different spellings, okay? So just like last time, we talked about how some words look the same, but they look the same, but they sound different, or they look different, but they sound the same. Anyway, okay, so we are going to be doing that. Okay, so I am going to share the screen so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll go over more of our learning objective for today, okay? All right, so if you just bear with me. Okay, so you should be able to see what I'm seeing now. Okay, so again, my learning target for today is that I can read and compare words with the oi and oi diagraphs, okay? So as you can see, let's look right here. These sounds, these letter sounds, so these spellings, OI and OY, they sound the same, but they're spelled differently, okay? So let's look at this first one. I'll put a star next to it, okay? Let's think. So this is the OI, the OI. So OI spelling and OI sound as we hear in oink, okay? Or in coin, okay? All right, so it usually comes in the middle of a one-syllable word, okay? And this one, it does come in the beginning, but it's oi, okay? All right, if we look down here, I'm gonna put a star next to it, okay? This is the OY spelling, okay, with the oi sound. So they sound exactly the same, but they're spelled differently. And this will help when you're reading to know the difference, okay? All right, so let's look at the word that it's in. Oi, boy, okay? And it says here that it usually occurs at the end of a one-syllable word, okay? Or at the end of a word before a vowel, but let's not worry about that. So usually at the end of the word, okay? So we have our OI, okay? It says oi, and our OY that says oi. I know, it's getting confusing. All right, so we're gonna do a little activity here together, okay? All right, so in this, let's circle the pictures that make the oi sound, okay, like in coin. So in this one, it looks like we have our O-I spelling, and this is gonna be the O-Y spelling, okay? That looks like joy, and this is like coin, okay? So I'm gonna circle them and then we're gonna write the words, okay? So let's look at each picture. Let's look at this first one right here. Okay, that's kind of a confusing picture, but it looks like something that you'd put in your car to keep it going, okay? Not gasoline, it's oil. So let's hear that word again, oil. It does in the beginning have that oi sound, so oil. Let's see if we can spell it. Now I'm gonna type it because it's a little bit easier for me to type, okay? So I'll type it right down below. Oil, how would we spell it? Okay, oi. So we know we gotta have the what? The O-I, okay? So O-I, oil, what sound, what letter makes that sound? Oh, the L, okay? So there's oil, okay? So let's circle that picture, right? Okay, let's look at the next picture right next to it. That's a what? Kind of looks like a peach. It's a peach. Do we hear the oi sound in peach? Peach. I don't think so. I don't hear it, okay? So I'm not gonna even touch that one. All right, what's this a picture of? That's a silly picture. That's a toilet, toilet, okay? So it's kind of it's a longer word, but let's see if we can hear it. Toilet. Let's break it apart. T-oi-l-et. Toilet. Oi. It does have the oi sound, okay? And so we know that it's gonna have the O-I. Let's see if we can try to spell it, okay? All right, let's come down here. So what's the first sound we hear? T, 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 t. Okay, there's the oi. Remember, we're doing oi. So oi, toil, ul. That's the L. Whoops, didn't mean to put that there. Let's go back into that. Then what? Toil, eh. There's the E, and what's the last sound we hear? Toilet, t, t, the T, okay? So there's toilet, and we spelled it all on our own, okay? So let's circle the picture. All right, let's look at this one down here. Ooh, it's got a skull and crossbones, meaning it's very dangerous. I think it's the word poison. Okay, so let's think of that word. Poison. Poison. It does have the oi, and since we're working with the oi, it's gonna have the oi as the oi sound. Okay, so what's the first sound we hear? P, p. That's right, it's the P, and then oi. Okay, we're working with the oi, poise. And then this is a weird one, un. It's not un, it's actually on. That's a tricky one, so I'll give that one to you. Okay, so poison. Look, in all of these words, look, I'll underline oi, oi, oi. Okay, so oil, toilet, poison. Okay, let's look at our last picture on this page. That's a duck. Let's see, does duck have the oi sound? Duck, duck. No, so let's not circle that, but I will circle poison. We forgot to circle that. All right, let's quickly go over to this one. Okay, so now we're working with the OY spelling, but it still sounds the same. Okay, so we're gonna circle all of the pictures that have the OY sound, like enjoy. Okay, all right, let's look at the first one. Books, books. I don't hear the oi sound, but we should know how to spell that from our last lesson. Books. So b, and remember it's not it's not the u sound. What two letters make the in books? That's right, it's that double O. And then k, kicking K, and it's plural. There's more than one book, so I'll add an S, books, okay? But we're not gonna circle that because we're working with the oi. All right, let's look at this one. All right, this looks like a little boy. Boy. Do we hear the oi sound? We do, boy. Okay, so let's circle it. Okay, now we're gonna type in our stuff. So b, and we're working with the OY this time. OY. Look, we just wrote the word boy, okay? All right, let's look at the next picture right here. This is what? It looks like toys. Toys, we'll just say toy. Toy. Do we hear the oi sound in toy? Toy. I do, because it rhymes with boy. All right, so let's circle it. All right, so let's try to spell the word toy, okay? T, oi, toy, okay? Toy, right? Good. Now let's look at the next one. This is a picture of a star, a star. Star, does star have the oi sound? I don't think so, no. Okay, so let's not circle that, okay? All right, and let's look at this last one. It's either a clam or a pearl. I don't think any of them. No, okay, so we just had boy and toy, okay? All right, so we've done our two oi spellings, O-I and O-Y, and they have the same sound. So this should be able to help you with some of your worksheets and some of your reading that happens at the end, okay? So I know that I think for day 3, you're doing your AU and AW sounds, okay, and spellings. And then day 5, you are just going to read one of the fables, okay? And those will have all of these vowel diagraphs that we've been working with, okay? So this should help you. All right. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great night, okay? And I'll speak to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.